Hey guys, what's going on? I'm David. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like getting traffic online is just one long chase? You keep posting, you keep searching for tricks, you keep trying to get people to notice your links, but somehow it still feels like you are the one doing all the work while the traffic never really sticks. That is exactly why traffic magnets caught my attention. Because this is built around a very different idea. Instead of chasing people all over the internet every single day, the goal here is to put something simple in place that can bring buyer intent traffic to you, and that is a huge shift, especially for beginners who want results without dealing with ads, funnels, or technical setup. Before I break everything down, make sure to check the link in the description box right now, because that is where you can read my full written review article of traffic magnets. Inside that review, I cover the full OTO funnel, the discount offer, the all-in-one bundle deal, and the special bonuses I am putting together that cover different areas of digital marketing to help you get better results with this product. Now, what is traffic magnets? Traffic magnets is a beginner-friendly system that helps you build a simple online tool designed to attract people from Google who are already looking for solutions. The big idea is very simple. You create one traffic magnet and let it work like a long-term traffic source that keeps sending visitors to your offers over time. What makes this stand out is that it is not just about getting traffic. It is built to help you turn that traffic into an actual income system. So instead of leaving you stuck wondering how to build the site, where to collect leads, or how to place your offer, Traffic Magnets is meant to give you a more complete setup without needing website skills, lead capture experience, or monetization knowledge. So in this review, I'm going to show you exactly how Traffic Magnets works, what you get inside, how the funnel is structured, and whether this is really a smart choice for beginners who want free traffic without all the usual overwhelm.
Hey guys, and welcome. I wanted to do a quick onboarding video for Traffic Magnets. So once you have logged into your Traffic Magnets members area, you will see a quick start guide here. And all you have to do is follow the steps. So first, create your first project. Pick a niche, and the AI finds 12 specific searches people are already making, each one a tool opportunity with almost no competition. So what you need to do is click on Create My First Project. You can either start from a template by picking a niche, or you can fill out your details yourself. I'm going to choose my niche, health and fitness. And if you scroll down, you will see that all the fields have been pre-filled, and you can choose the primary goal of your traffic magnet, whether it's to drive backlinks, generate leads, increase traffic, or improve engagement. I'm going to choose increase traffic, then click on discover traffic magnets. And here you will see 12 different traffic magnet ideas, and you can scroll down and pick one. So for example, I'm going to choose BMI and body fat calculator, and then I'm going to click on generate blueprint. And it has generated some information about the traffic magnet. And if you scroll down, you can choose your theme style for the traffic magnet. I'm going to choose ocean. And then you can export it as a standalone HTML page or an embeddable widget. I'm going to choose embeddable widget. And the embeddable widget is ready. All you have to do is copy the embedded code and embed it on your website. And let me show you what that looks like. And here is a sample of the traffic magnet, so a BMI calculator, so you can add your weight, your height, and click on calculate your BMI now, and it will provide the output. And that's it, guys.
If you grab the main product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus packages. Let me show you some of them in this video. Package 1. Create Brand and Profit Vault. A bonus package built to help you create content faster, brand your stuff professionally, and monetize smarter. Inside the vault, you'll get content plus video creation tools like Article Buddy Pro and Auto Video Creator, so you can produce articles and videos without getting stuck. For lead generation and selling, you're also getting Customer List Builder, plus training-style bonuses like Selling to the World and e-commerce fire sale to help you turn views and clicks into real sales. Then for branding and design, you'll have Logo Studio, 123 logo kit, and 300 logo templates, so you can put together a clean logo and consistent look in minutes. And to make your visuals instantly look more premium, you'll also receive a full set of creative assets, including HD video motion backgrounds, abstract image collection, graphics empire, whiteboard SVG graphics bundle, and miscellaneous stock photos, perfect for thumbnails, landing pages, and video scenes. Finally, if you plan to sell digital products, you'll love the Kindle e-cover pack plus graphics ever, 50 e-covers and headers, to make your offers look like paid products. And you've got a few extra creative tools too, like Vector Cartoon Package, Turbo GIF Animator, Facebook Timeline Cover, and Teespring Instant Cash for extra monetization angles. Package 2, the 2026 AI Moneymaker Bootcamp Vault. This bonus package is about one thing, helping you start earning online with AI. Inside, you're getting a stack of trainings like Create and Monetize Your Own AI Influencer and the Zero Product AI Income System. So even if you don't have your own product, you can still start generating income by promoting winning offers with AI doing the heavy lifting. You'll also get the YouTube Autopilot AI system, long-form content, to build a content engine that can grow views and monetization consistently, plus the PDF income machine and copy-to-cash digital product system if you want to create quick digital products and start selling. And for the higher income route, Build and Sell AI Automations shows you how to package simple AI systems for businesses and get paid for it, often on a monthly basis. You get multiple proven paths: influencer, affiliate, YouTube, PDFs, digital products, and automations, so you can choose the one that fits you and start moving fast. This video only showed part of what's included. There are even more bonuses waiting for you. Click the link in the description below to see the full breakdown.
Now, I want to take a few minutes to talk about something very special. When you grab this product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus package. These bonuses are carefully handpicked to help you in the areas that matter most: video creation, content generation, traffic growth, and SEO. I hope they can save you time, cut costs, and make your online journey smooth and successful. Let me walk you through some of the highlights, and I'll also show you short demos so you can see how powerful these tools really are. First up, AI Supreme, an all-in-one marketing powerhouse. With just a single login, you unlock more than 25 premium marketing apps, all under one roof. No installations, no complicated setup. For example, let's say you need a website. Inside AI Supreme, you'll find a Wix-style website builder that lets you design a professional site in minutes. Just pick a template, drag and drop, and your site is live. Or maybe you want to capture leads and sell offers. The funnel builder comes loaded with ready-made lead funnels, promo funnels, and even viral funnels you can customize instantly. Need content? The built-in AI writer does the heavy lifting. Just select your target language, choose the tone, give it a short description, and boom, you get ready-to-use content that sounds professional and natural. And my personal favorite, AI agents. Imagine having a team of professionals, writers, designers, coders, marketers, available 24/7, ready to complete any task you throw at them. That's exactly what AI Agents does. You can even create chatbots to engage with your audience automatically. Next is Goofy Shorts AI, perfect for short-form video creation. As you know, platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are exploding right now, and this tool makes it super easy to tap into that traffic. All you do is choose your format, whether it's TikTok, Instagram Reel, Whiteboard Explicable, or image-based video. Then Goofy Shorts AI creates your video in just a few clicks. Plus, you can generate AI-powered voiceovers directly inside the app, so you don't even need to record yourself. Once your video is ready, you can instantly share it across multiple platforms to maximize reach and engagement. Moving on, you'll also get TubeTraffic AI, which builds out a complete YouTube business for you. Here's how it works. Simply enter some keywords, and the software pulls up tons of relevant videos that are already proven to get views. From there, you can select the ones you want, and the tool automatically fills in video titles, descriptions, and tags optimized for traffic. You can customize the content however you like. And the best part? You can insert your own affiliate offers directly inside the videos. That means you're not just getting views, you're turning those views into commissions. Another incredible bonus is Super VA. Think of this as your ultimate virtual assistant powered by AI. Instead of spending hours writing content, designing graphics, or even coding, you can simply type in a prompt or use one of the pre-written ones, and Super VA will complete the task for you. It covers hundreds of marketing tasks with zero restrictions and zero setup. It's like hiring a full-time assistant team, but without the massive cost. You'll also get News Broadcasting Sites Builder. This one is perfect if you want to create passive income streams. With just a few clicks, you can launch fully automated news sites in virtually any niche: sports, travel, gaming, affiliate marketing, you name it. The software designs a professional website, generates fresh content with relevant images, and even updates itself automatically every day. So while you're busy doing your things, your news site is quietly attracting visitors and generating income in the background. And here's a huge one. You'll also get a library of over 500 premium done-for-you courses with master resale rights. You can totally use them to learn, turn them into your own products, or even resell them to kickstart your online biz. Topics cover marketing, business growth, traffic, social media, and much more, giving you a ready-made catalog of digital assets to profit from. Imagine adding these courses to your own funnel or selling them directly for instant cash flow. It's like starting your business with products already done for you. And these are just the main bonuses I wanted to highlight. On top of these, you'll also unlock many more special tools that I haven't even had time to show here. To check out the full list and claim your bonuses, just click the bonus link in the description below.
So that wraps up my review. Now, before you decide, I highly recommend checking out my full review linked in the description below. On that page, you'll find a complete Traffic Magnets walkthrough and demo, a full pricing and OTO breakdown, including the bundle option, an honest breakdown of who this product is best for, and my exclusive bonus package designed to enhance different areas of digital marketing, like traffic generation, automation, content creation, and monetization. Those bonuses are meant to help you get more value from Traffic Magnets and improve your overall online marketing results, not just your streaming platform. So if you're serious about building your own online business, driving traffic, generating leads, or creating new online income streams, click the link in the description, read the full review, watch the demos, and see if this tool's the right fit for you. Thanks for watching this review. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.